Let me welcome you to the online class today. So, in your our set exams have came near. So, now we are taking the revision. So, let us take one more lesson. It is my family as a revision. So, all of you be ready with your classwork and open new page. Take down revision question answers. On the new page, write first question. Answer the following questions. Answer the following questions. Before starting the answer the following questions. Before starting the lesson, let me show you some pictures related to the family. So, this is the, you can see open page number 108. You can see different families, pictures of the family. Family means what? Grandfather, grandmother, father, mother, brothers, sisters, and others members will be there in the family. So we can see different pictures of different family here. This is family 1. So how many members are there? Totally 6 members are there, including grandfather, grandmother, father, mother, brother and sister. So number of the members in the family are 6. You write here in the last column. So in second family, family 2, how many are there? Only 3 members are there, father, mother and daughter. So you can write 3 numbers in the second, in front of the third column. In family 3, how many are there? Grandfather, grandmother, 2 sons and 2 daughter-in-laws. And totally 5 children. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 plus 5, 11 members are there. So write 11 number in the third column. So all the 3 families are different from each other. Understood? Some are having more members, some have less members, some have medium number of members. Understood? Now one more picture, let me show you page number 109. So here how many are there? 5 members are there. So you write 5 members in the 5 members in last column. So which family has least number of families? Very least means less numbers of members are there in the family 2. So you can see in the family 2 only 3 members are there. So this is the only 3 members are there in family 2. So least numbers of family, least number of members in family 2 you can write in the column here. In the column, last column you can write here blank least number of members in family 2. Understood? In family 2. Many members in the family 3. Many members, you write which family has many members, that is family 3 you write in the second column. Mention the number of the members in your family. How many members are there in your family also you can write in the third column. Now here 2 more families are given here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 6, 7, 8, 9. 10 members are there in one family and 4 members in the second family. So identify the family that has least numbers with right mark. Second family has less members. So you can put right mark in the column. Understood? Now some more pictures of the family are given here. How they help each other you can see here. So you can see here grandmother combing the hair of the granddaughter, grandfather telling story to Vimla, and you can see here father and the daughter. Next mother helping the daughter Vimla, and the 2 children ready for the school. You can see Vimla and her brother going to the school. They are here, ready here. They are going to the school here. So in this way, all the family members help each other. Understood? When while playing, studying, and doing work, all family members help the members of the family. Understood? Each other help each other in the family. All family members help each other. That is we call as a family. So here you can see Vimla, when she is free, she goes to her neighbor's house and there she study dancing. Understood? You can see Vimla dancing with the next picture. Understood? So Radha is helping her. You can see her. Then here also some more pictures. So you can see how all are different from each other. Understood? Fat person, short person, lean person, girl with curly hair, girl with what, long hair, girl having long hair. So all are different from each other. Understood? Now here, let me show you the last picture here. How all the children are different from each. All are, you can see how they are playing here. In the picture, Janki, Farida, Salim, John and Ramesh and are playing. You can see Janki, Farida, two girls, Salim, John and Ramesh. All are studying in one class only, but they all are different from each other. Understood? Some are short, some are fat, some lean, but all are studying in one class only. All are friends, all like each other, and they love each other, and they play each other. This way, all are physical appearance may be different from each other, but all are friends. Understood? So in this way, you are also studying in your class. So be friendly with all your family, friends, and the family members. So now let me give questions for the lesson. Take down. First question, that is, what is small family? First question, what is small family? What is a small family? This is first question. Answer is a family with the least members. Answer, a family with least members. With least members is called a small family. 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 A family with least members is called a small family. Next question. Second question. What is a large family? What is a large family? What is a large family? A family with many members is called a large family. Answer, a family with large family is called a large family. A family with many members is called a large family. Next question. Next question. When do the members of the when do the when do the when do the members of the family when do the members of the family help? When do the members of the family help? Members of the family help. Answer. Members of the family help while playing, studying, and doing work. Next question. What is Lola doing in this picture? Fourth question. What is Lola doing? What is Lola doing? Employees dancing. Answer. Employees dancing. Next question. Fifth one. Who is helping her? Who is helping her? Radha is helping her. Radha is helping. Radha is helping God. Do you help your neighbors? Last question. Do you help your neighbors? Do you help your neighbors? Yes, we help our neighbors. We help Yes, we help our neighbors. Yes, we help our neighbors. Yes, we help our neighbors. So these are the few questions from the lesson My Family Revision Day 1. So what is small family? A family with least members is called a small family. Then what is large family? Family with many members is called a large family. When do the members of the family help? Members of the family help while playing, studying and doing work. What is Vimla doing? Vimla is dancing. Who is helping her? Radha is helping Vimla. Do you help your neighbors? Yes, we help our neighbors. So these are the two questions from the lesson My Family Day 1. So you can take on in class after. Very simple questions are there. So this is about the lesson My Family Revision Day 2. Thank you.